Hi students, today this topic coefficient. The coefficient meaning a term may have numerical and variable factor. The numerical factor is called the coefficient. See, a term may have numerical and variable factors. The numerical factor is called the coefficient. Example, 7xy. This is one term, 7xy. Numerical and variable also having. The factor 7 x y. This one term, this one factor. Here has the numerical factor. Which one? 7 is a numerical coefficient. So a term may have numerical and variable. This is one term. Here numerical means constants number. Here variable also having. The numerical factor is called the coefficient. Here 7 is the numerical coefficient. Next one. Any factor or a group of a factor. Group of a factors by which is the remaining factor factors of the term. Any factor or a group of a factor by which the remaining factors of the term is multiplied. Multiplied is called the coefficient of term. Here one factor having. Example, 4ab. This is one term. Here factor 4 a b. Any factor or a group of a factor by which the remaining factors we take. Here 4 is coefficient of remaining term here ab. Next one, 4a is coefficient of remaining term b. Next one, 4b is coefficient of remaining a. So that is any factor of a group of a factor by which the remaining factor you take. This is one factor. Here 4 is coefficient of remaining factor ab. Next one, here 4a is coefficient of b. 4b is coefficient of A. This is for coefficient. Next one, example sums. Write the numerical coefficient of A 4xy, B 9 minus 9xy, C 3ab c square. Here find out the numerical coefficient. First one, A. Numerical coefficient is here 4. B. Numerical coefficient here minus 9xy. Here numerical coefficient minus 9. Next one, 3ab c square away. Numerical coefficient is here 3 only. So this way we find out the numerical coefficient. Next one example, write the coefficient of here x square in 3x square y in 4ab y. See question, z in 13x z, d a in minus 3 a b c. So A x square in this is coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square means remaining term only take it. Here x square remaining term 3y only is 3y. Second one, coefficient of y. Here y remaining term a b 4ab y is 4ab. Next one, coefficient of z is here z remaining term 13x. Next one, a in minus 3 abc, d coefficient of a in 3 minus 3f. So a is remaining term minus 3bc, minus 3bc. So this side find out the coefficient. Next one, like term. Like term in an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression terms having same variable with the same power. Algebraic expression terms having same variable with the same power is called the like term. Example, (13ab plus 12ab plus 2ab). Here variable power also same. Here 1. Second one, minus 3abc plus 5abc. Here also same variable, power also same. So that is like term. Next one, unlike term. Unlike term, in an algebraic expression, terms have different variable. Different variable. A same variable, a different variable, or same variable also. With different powers. Is called the unlike term. Example, 13ab square plus 12a square b. Here variable same but power is different. 3x square yz plus 9xy square z plus 10xyz square. Where also variable is same, power is different. So in an algebraic expression, terms have different variable, different power, or same variable with different power. So this is for unlike term.